The Aiyima Audio Gan 48V power supply charger amplifier is a well-engineered solution designed specifically for those utilizing the TPA 3255 amplifier. Its ability to accommodate input voltages ranging from 100 to 240 volts makes it suitable for a variety of settings, ensuring compatibility with different power sources. This power supply stands out due to its impressive output capabilities, offering both 10A and 5A options. This versatility allows it to effectively power demanding audio equipment while maintaining optimal performance. Users will appreciate the stable voltage delivery, which is crucial for achieving high-quality sound reproduction without distortion or interruptions. In practical use, this power supply is ideal for audiophiles and sound engineers who require reliable amplification for their audio setups. Whether connecting to home audio systems or professional sound equipment, the Aiyima power supply ensures that the TPA 3255 amplifier operates efficiently, enhancing overall audio performance. From a design and usability perspective, the Aiyima power supply is compact and user-friendly. Its robust construction promises reliability, making it a dependable choice for long-term use. The straightforward plug-and-play functionality allows users to set it up quickly, minimizing downtime and ensuring immediate access to high-quality audio experiences. In summary, the Aiyima Audio Gan 48V power supply charger amplifier delivers reliable performance tailored for the TPA 3255 amp. Its combination of practical features, ease of use, and solid design makes it a commendable choice for anyone seeking to enhance their audio systems.